Hello, good morning. How are we, happy people? Everyone is happy and healthy? And let's get some work done. So I'm looking how to upload a YouTube video today. So I'm trying to identify first which video that is. This is the one that I'm going to be uploading, creating a video about how I create, upload and promote YouTube video. Creating a video, how, that's the one. And for this particular video, how I come up with a title. So this is creating a video. So I'm checking my upload for the quality, and if it qualifies to be put live on the YouTube channel. So that's the file. And that's my folder that doesn't have anything in it just yet. Oh, there is my YouTube. So I have titled already, and that you cannot see right now, but I'll move this over, and then when I get in there, I'll move this over because the title of the folder is what will be interesting you, and you can see the title I will show you. The tool I have used to create this title for this video is, let's see, we're going for this file, and I'm uploading already. So the prompt I've given to this tool is, this is the ChatSonic AI we are talking about, the new tool that I'm testing right now instead of ChatGPT. So and obviously, as always, I've given it a prompt and I told it, give me a YouTube video title for my next YouTube upload, and in which I'll give it. I'll tell it this is the name of the file. That's how I titled my file when I was recording it. And then I'll give it some little bit more information after I listen to it, and maybe I change something. So now the file has changed, has moved. That's how it is not playing. But it's still there, it's just a different place now. So this is where my file is now. So creating a video about how I create, upload and promote YouTube. I'll show you exactly. And promote YouTube video. So this video is getting uploaded to YouTube right now. That's what I'm working on. Here, yes, I have picked a file. This is where we are changing the name. So I have actually, this is how I titled my folder in which this video is located. And this tool actually has come up with this suggestion for the YouTube video title, and it gave me 5 suggestions, so it's really good. I told it give me a YouTube video title, and it gave me 5 suggestions, so this is better than what the ChatGPT was doing for me. I like it better. I'll use this in whole. Yes, I'll give this video a title like that. So we still have some, it hasn't created too long one, it's fine. My YouTube video promotion strategy, how I use Facebook groups to boost subscribers. Okay, so this video is going to be in the category YouTube uploads, YouTube subs. So building your YouTube subscribers list by actively promoting your videos on the Facebook. Okay. So now, let's see if this tool can continue on our conversation. And now, give me a YouTube video description for this upload. And let's see, the thing is working. Searching online, 2 words will be changed. And now give me a YouTube video description for this upload.
Sure. Here are 5 possible YouTube video titles for your video about creating, uploading, and promoting YouTube videos with a focus on using Facebook groups to build subscribers. 1. How to use Facebook groups to get more YouTube subscribers. 2. Maximizing your YouTube growth.
And now the thing is even talking loudly to me. So this is new compared to the ChatGPT. There wasn't, this feature wasn't there before, but this is now reading the whole text.
How to build your YouTube subscriber base with Facebook groups. 5. Boosting your YouTube.
So I'll turn the volume down and I need a description. I said video description. This thing's given me some titles again. Okay, so what I will do now is I will copy this and paste, and then copy my title, the ultimate guide, is it not? What did I call my YouTube subs? My YouTube video promotion strategy. This one I have used, looks like. How I use Facebook groups to boost subscribers, the 4th one. Okay. Now I'll just carry on like that. And I'll enter it as a prompt. So now you give the whole prompt there. I need a YouTube video description for this upload. And that's the upload there. And that's the description. Now it's getting built right now. Perfect. So this is the description I'm going to use. Quickly check it here, looking to promote your YouTube channel. Now I'll pick the playlist. So this is YouTube subs. Building your subscribers list. And strategies to promote your YouTube uploads. It's not made for kids. Click on next. This will be soon ready because it's uploading in the background. I'll pick this style. Click on save. That's the only thing I use, just the one. I don't add subtitles, I don't do any cards as of the moment. As for now, I don't think I'll need it anyway. So this is the title I have for my YouTube upload. Now the statistics that I keep. This is the tool that I'm using to record, so this window does not need to stay open right now, I don't think so. I will keep it open anyway. So now I need my Facebook, no sorry, now I need my documents. I will open this one. And now we are on day 100. So this is the number of YouTube videos needed to be uploaded by the end of the year in order to achieve 1000 subscribers on my channel by my calculations. So we are now in 133 uploads. After this one is online, we'll have to go 133 more YouTube videos will have to get uploaded onto my channel. Today is day 3, so this video will have to be uploaded. Today is the 11th of June. So also by the date I will then see, whether I was able to be doing this at least one video every day or not. So that's how I record it and documents on Google, and the account was on 162 subscribers, 133 left to upload. We'll keep it clear, videos left, 133 videos left to upload on day 3. So the calculations were to be 135 videos to be uploaded to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. And so this is the experiment that you are participating in. Thanks very much for watching and supporting me. So give me a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you know anyone that might be interested in this sort of content, then please share it with them. It's greatly appreciated. Thanks. So I hope you're happy and you are healthy, and you can help me to build the subscribers base. Where are we now? Next we need the YouTube video. So this hasn't been examined thoroughly yet, so I have to find it, play it again, and once I'm sure, this will be posted. So that's exactly how it's happening. And then the process you already know. Once this is live, you have seen it before, where I'm going to the Facebook group. I'm checking which group that is, compare the pictures, then I go. Once the upload is done, it will come up with share, all these share options, yes, on your channel, and then you'll have share. You'll share it to Facebook, you'll share it to Twitter, you'll share it to Skype. And I'm sharing to Facebook, let's say, to give you a better understanding of how this could be shared on Facebook and to boost your subscribers base quickly. And this is a free strategy too. So yes, so this is the title, so I can copy the title of course now to keep the record, and I already have the link, so I can already copy the YouTube video link. And this is what I'm going to be posting in every post that I'm sharing. Then this is exactly how it's going to look. Okay. So see, I have one per page. So we are at 133 videos left to upload on day 3. There's some other things have copied which I didn't want to have. I don't think so. Keep it clear and concise. So thanks very much for watching, everyone. This is now 14 minutes and 17 seconds in this video. So soon this video will be ending. I do appreciate your time. It's only 15 minutes. Do spread your day, 15-minute work blocks. I have now applied this new strategy and I'm very happy. I'm going to be sharing it with you. So it's important, you stick to these 15-minute work blocks. You get 15 minutes work, you get it done. 15 minutes is I need to watch my video that I'm planning to upload to the YouTube next. So look forward to it. This is like a little bit of a preview how my next video will look like to you when you open your